welcome back to my channel. My name is Lainey, my pronouns are they, them, and get ready with me to go to another arcade meet. Let's get into it. All of my stuff's in storage. Okay, bye. The dreaded storage game of, where's my Lolita? I did find this box of all of my Lolita shit. And this is like all my pink dresses, I think. Or no, these are all my summery dresses, I guess. So, we're like a little closer with this box. Oh, no. There it is. I see it. There's this guy. This is what I want to wear today. It's, Rainbow Dollhouse by CC Cat. It is absolutely lovely. But I did find, a few of my Lolita dresses. And then I think there's more stuff in here. Which, oh, yes! I wanted to wear one of these blue guys today. Dude, this is actually so lucky. I was not expecting this to be easy today. I thought I was gonna have to search and search. This was actually great. Okay, we're gonna close this. I need to find my shoes too. I have really cute little blue shoes. Let's go over to that box now. Yeah, you can see I've already dug through here a few times. I don't think any of my J fashion shoes are in here though. I do have, you know what, worst case scenario, if I can't find these like blue shoes that I'm thinking of, these are mainly all black. I do have, there's my cowboy boots. I do have my like gym shoes pulled out, my white and pastel gym shoes. I don't think they're in here. I think my Lolita shoes are in a different box and I don't know which one. Actually, I think they're in this box all the way up here. So I'm definitely not going to be able to grab that. So maybe we're going to do gym shoes tonight instead.
You know what I do have though? I never put my hats and my headbands in storage. So this means that at least our hair and our head can be pretty cute. I do have a headband that I really want to use. It's from Aliexpress, don't charge me. But it's really cute. It has like bears on it, or bear ears, and it has yeah, here it is. Look at it. It's so cute. It's just, oh, I love it so much. But let's also look for some wrist cuffs. I'm probably just going to use the ones that I made because they're white and then pink and they match. We'll pull out our little bunny guy because what is an animal cord without a little bunny guy? And then I was looking through all of our bows to see if there's anything else that I wanted to attach or use. And after, of course, I need bunny socks. I have 2 pairs of bunny socks. If there are bunnies in the print, I'm wearing bunny socks, and I always layer my socks. So I'll have little inklet bunnies, and then I'll wear over the knees or tights. And for these, I ended up going with these Roji, under the knees. Yeah, no, these are under the knees. They're great. They fit my giant ass feet. They're really thick too. And I love them, and they look so cute together. There's my baby, say hi to her. After that, we had to go grab a bag. I only have these 2 out of storage, which means we are having 2 different bunny bags. And I also had to grab a petticoat, but just wait for it.
Cool. That was so unfortunate. Okay.
Like I was saying, I had to grab a petticoat, so I grabbed my flower one because I didn't know where my other petticoats were. And that was a grave mistake because I shedded flowers all over the place. I also grabbed some of my Innocent World Bloomers that I stole from my cousin, and I did my makeup kind of cute. I did not want to put on contacts, so we're doing glasses, and I tried to do a little outline with pink eyeliner, and you couldn't really see it. Anyways, this is the blouse that I'm wearing that you also really can't see. It's gingham. It looks very cute. We love a blue gingham blouse. And now it's time for the most flattering camera angle of me you have ever seen. Just kidding. Those were all in that cosplay wig making video where I wasn't wearing makeup and I looked terrible, but that's okay. Anyways, let's put on Rainbow Dollhouse by CC's Cat and pray that it still fits, which thankfully it did. The waist ties kind of got in the way of everything, but I was very happy when I put it on, and it still fit. It was a small victory of the day, because I would be honestly so devastated if this dress did not fit anymore. Anyways, we're taking off the headband, and we gotta do our hair. I kind of tried to curl it for this event, and the curls didn't really work. They kind of look terrible by the end of the day, but I didn't know what to do at that point, and I was like, well, I guess we are kind of stuck with it, so maybe we'll just like put accessories in our hair, like little hair clips, cover it with a headband, and just try our best to pretend that this is cute and these curls are what we were going for. And you know what? It kind of worked. Anyways, there are my socks that I put on. And after that, I just threw on everything else, and I really had to run out the door because I was running extremely late, but we don't want to talk about that. But anyways, here's a full cord that I wore to the meetup, and I thought I thought it looked pretty cute. I think it turned out pretty good, all things considering. And yeah, I had a great time, and I also have a vlog of that. If you want to see it, it's linked in the description. So go watch that video. Okay, thanks, bye.